Good morning, guys! Let's do this tangkulo. Yan, guys. Let's make tangkulo, guys. Look at this. Ala! Okay.
May kono mag-akalang.
Did you wash your hands, pa? Guys, ang dami na natin nagawa. How to make tangkulo. For today's video, guys, we're going to eat this kasi natikman namin siya, guys, sa saan tayo nagpunta nun?
Strawberry Farm.
Strawberry Farm, sabi ni CJ. Yan. Hindi kami bumibili. Ayun na, guys. Ang dami na nating nagawa. Ayun na. Papakulo tayo, guys, ng sugar. Pot melted yung sugar, guys, ha. Then, bago natin ilalagay yung fruits. And after that, guys, dito natin siya ilalagay sa water na maraming yellow.
Napit na siya, guys. Guys. Ito na siya, guys.
That's it. We're gonna put yung sugar. Babad mo lang.
Nababad ba?
Yeah, babad mo lang muna. Para tumigas yung sugar niya. Crunchy.